This is my second video with my Hero 8 GoPro. I'm checking out the settings. Here's a pineapple plant. These are my ornamental plum trees. To watch for Asian beetles, Japanese beetles, whatever they're called. Here's some little hostices. Here's some Solomon seal. This is new. One of the neighbors gave it to me. They gave me some irises too. They don't look so great. Oh, there's a little hostis. There's another Solomon seal. My mom gave me this coneflower, but it doesn't look like it's gonna make it. There's a coneflower there. Looks like it's gonna bloom soon. Some more irises in the back. Here's my bird bath. It needs to be scrubbed. Here's my crepe myrtle. Here's my clementine. It was blooming earlier this year. Here's some more hostices. That might be a coneflower. Here's my Rose of Sharon hibiscus. It's got some buds on it. There's my trees from a distance. Here's some more hostices. Some violets. Some clovers. Hammock. Oh, I wonder if this belongs to the neighbors. Okay, we'll go see how this video looks.